later. After a highly intense day of intense situations happening all around me, and still remaining on your square to circle it off anyway, right? I feel what I truly feel that I must. For the greater good. Just bust out into a song. What a good day. For me. Holla, holla back if you would, if you hear me. It's a good day for me. Not too much on my mind. My heart is still beating, pumping right. This is why my eyes not bleeding. Ooh, they try so hard to destroy ya. Not knowing I breed the chaos in that transmuted. Yeah. Ooh, keep 'em guessing. Ooh, keep 'em wondering. Ooh, how she keep on bouncing back like that. Keep on wondering, staying highly mighty on my throne. Holla back, will you hear me from away out here? Holla back, do you feel me through the tunes? I do. Ooh, stay true to you. Keep your thoughts pure. They creeping low. Keep your thoughts pure. When the snow hit falls, keep it up, right. Dancing with the G's throughout the night. Stay upright. I know they want you to fall, but carry on with I am mine. Baby, I won. Matter of fact, it's just why you keep on chasing round these circles. Won't you just save your final goodbyes? Here's your lullaby, be put to sleep.